Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I want to say welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. My name's Delicia. If you want to stick around, you can always click that subscribe button down below. Also, there's a bell right beside it that'll notify you whenever I upload a new video. If you're not new and you're just tuning in for the new video, I want to say thank you for coming back and showing your girl love. With that being said, today's video is going to be a huge Ulta / Sephora haul of all the products for the past couple of weeks that I had in my wish list for Ulta and Sephora. So if you guys want to see what I purchased, stay tuned. So a lot of the products that I bought from Ulta were skincare related, just because of the simple fact that my skin has been going absolutely bonkers this past 2017 all the way in 2018. And I am so tired of my skin that I'm just like, I'm just going to try all kinds of products and see if something will help me, because I've never been the type to have acne prone skin. I never broke out when I was younger. I got the occasional hormonal breakout when it comes to like that time of the month, but never this many at the same time. So I was like, you know what, I'm just going to focus more on skincare and put more of my money towards skincare versus makeup. Now don't get me wrong, I still purchase makeup, but this time around I wanted to buy some skincare products. So the first product that I bought was from Mario Badescu, and if you don't know who Mario Badescu is, he has an amazing skincare line for a really affordable price. Like, his prices are absolutely insane for the products that you're getting. I actually got this glycolic foaming cleanser in a little sample size, and I still have like half the bottle, so this lasts a really long time. You need the tiniest amount. And what it is a chemical exfoliant. So instead of using like a brush or like those face washes that have the like micro beads in them to exfoliate, this is like a chemical way to do it. So it gets even deeper into your skin and kind of eats away at the dead skin. When I first tried this for the first time, I seen results. Like, my skin looked brighter, it looked smoother, like it just looked like new. All the areas that I didn't have a breakout looked really nice and like new, like flat, and my skin looked tighter. So I had to purchase the larger size in this because it's amazing. So the next product I have to show you is from Clinique, and I have been using Clinique for years, especially their dramatically different moisturizing gel. I'm looking at it right now. I love that stuff for a moisturizer. It's super lightweight. It's absolutely amazing, and it actually does help with my oil control. But I wanted to try their Take the Day Off cleansing balm, because ever since it came out, people have been raving about this stuff. Like, they cannot stop talking about it for a makeup remover. And I figure, makeup wipes, for me, I feel like I'm just pushing like my makeup and the products in deeper into my skin. And with this, I feel like it's going to just like take everything off and kind of melt everything off and make it a little bit easier and gentler on my skin to remove my makeup every day. So hopefully I like this. Hopefully it works out for me. This is what it looks like. It almost looks like coconut oil, but this is non-comedogenic, so it won't clog your pores and it won't make your skin oily. Even after you rinse it off, they say you won't have oily skin. So hopefully this is, it does what it says. I think it will, because a lot of people seem to like this. And this was around like $26 to $28, so it is a bit pricey for what it is, but I'm hoping that I really love it, because this can definitely be a staple in my skincare routine. So the next two products I have to show you guys are two face masks from the Freeman brand. These were around like $4, and I got these because I really wanted to start adding like a face mask once a week to my routine. And I really been wanting to try a charcoal mask. I really want to try the Origins charcoal mask, but it's $28, so that's a little steep. So I was like, you know what, let me try this one for $4. If I like this one, I'll go ahead and splurge on Origins. And this is supposed to be a charcoal / black sugar mud mask. So this is a 10-minute mask, and it says it instantly removes impurities, plus nourishes for renewed skin. I tried this one. I absolutely love it. So it looks like I'm going to be buying the Origins, but I love it. It's one of those masks that dry down super hard and like super matte, and it tightens up on your face. It feels amazing. It feels like it's doing something, and you can actually see like where it's sucking into all your pores and where it's like pulling out all like the oils and like the dirt out of those pores. So highly recommend this one if you're looking into a charcoal mask. And then the next one that I got was the cleansing apple cider vinegar clay mask. plus a scrub. This one doesn't dry down as hard as the clay mask, only because it does have that scrub in it. So it's gonna be like halfway dried down, and then you're supposed to kind of like wash it off like a face scrub. It says it instantly tones, purifies, mattifies for a flawless complexion. So I tried this once, and I don't know about it. I probably have to try it a couple more times to kind of get a real feel for this one. But for right now, it's so-so. So that was all the like skincare items I bought from Ulta. And now I'm just going to show you the makeup items that I bought. So I'll go ahead and show you the 2 lip products that I bought. So only 2 products I bought were from NYX. And of course I had to get a lip pencil from the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liners. And the color I got was Brooklyn. And what it is just like this really gray toned taupey brown. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but that's what that color looks like. Really like mauvey brown. And I just wanted to try something different, something neutral, because I don't have a lot of neutral lip pencils, so I thought that would be a good one to get. And then I got the Intense Butter Gloss because I seen this on someone here on YouTube and she looked absolutely gorgeous. It's in the color Cinnamon Roll, so I'll show you a swatch of that. And I thought these two would pair really nicely together. So that's the lip gloss right there. As you can see, it's like a gray toned smoky nude color. Really, really pretty and perfect for like summer coming up with a nude lip. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I also went ahead and picked up a brow like a brow gel from Essence. It's the Make Me Brows. It's just like a little mascara wand that you use in your brows, and I've really been liking this because it makes my brows look really like feathery and like actual hair. So whenever you use like I'll use the dip brow from Anastasia, so that can get a little bit heavy on my actual brow hairs. So what I like to do is after I do my entire brow, I run this through lightly and kind of just feather out my actual real hair so it looks more natural. And I really like this color. It's in the color, I believe, to Brownie Brow. So I also got 2 more products from NYX. I ended up buying 2 of their NYX Vivid Bright liquid liners. So these I was not intending to buy any kind of liner, but I seen them in the aisle. They had a ton of different colors. And I was like, you know what? That would be really cute for the spring and summer to just put on your eyes for a pop of color with a nude lip. And that'll be an easy look to accomplish. So I just went ahead and picked up 2 of the colors. So I ended up getting Sapphire Blue and Vivid Petals. So I already swatched them for you guys, but this is what the 2 look like in the tube. So this is Sapphire, Vivid Sapphire, and then this is Vivid Petals. And that's the Sapphire shade, and then that is Petals swatch right there. So the last and final product that I bought from Ulta was the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Deep. And I know Tarte has had a bunch of controversy. I definitely did not buy the Tarte Shape Tape foundation. It's just like, y'all already know. But I use the Tarte Shape Tape. I don't usually use it for a regular concealer. I use it for basically priming my eyes for when I put on my shadows, and this has been like one of the best primers for eyeshadow, like an eyeshadow base. I didn't want to purchase it, but I'm like, what else am I going to use for a primer for my eyes? So if you guys have any recommendations for a concealer that works the same way that the Tarte Shape Tape does, let me know down in the comments, because you know your girl don't want to be spending her coins on a company that does not support her. So the next set of items I have to show you guys is actually from Sephora, and at Sephora I bought more makeup items than I did skincare. So the first 2 items I'm super excited about. Like, I've been meaning to buy both of these for the longest. So the first one I got was the Lancome Tint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation. If you have not heard about this foundation, I don't know where you've been, but 90% of the reviews I've seen are like positive reviews, 5 stars. People love it, especially people with oily skin. So I was like, I have to try this foundation. It's supposed to be a 24-hour wear. It says color wear and comfort, and it's supposed to be a transfer resistant foundation, which is like, yes. This is in the shade 550 Suede. So I think they were like maybe 3 or 4 shades after this one. Lancome has a close to 40 shade range in this foundation, so that's a huge amount of foundation. This retails for like $47, so it's a little bit pricey, but I mean, if it does have like the 24-hour wear time, and if it does have the transfer resistant, I think it's supposed to be full coverage as well. I'm all for that. Like, I don't mind paying $47 if it's going to be something that matches me. It's going to wear for a long time. It's going to give me like matte transfer resistant qualities. Like, I will pay the $47. This comes in a glass bottle. It has a pump, which is like always appreciated, especially with the $47. Like, please put a pump on here, not one of them squeezy tubes. We need a pump, okay? Like $47, $50 foundations with a squeezy tube, like side eye Marc Jacobs. Yeah, so I really like it. I will keep you updated how this turns out. Hopefully it turns out for the better, because I need a new foundation in my life. And then the next foundation that I have was the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. This one, like I said, came out probably a month or 2 ago. It's recent. It's a brand new foundation to Bobbi Brown, and it's supposed to be a long wear foundation, full coverage, and it's supposed to be like a shine control oil free type foundation. So I've seen a couple of reviews. I've seen people like put it on, wear it, and it looks phenomenal. It looks amazing. I do have smile lines, so I'm hoping that this foundation, you know, eliminates some of that like creasing in there. I can't wait to try this foundation. So this foundation also comes in a glass bottle. It does come with a pump, and you get both of these foundations. I believe you get 1 fluid ounce in both. This is also close to like the $46, $47 range. So both of these are quite expensive, but if they work, I mean, like I said, I don't have a problem continuing to purchase either one of those. Next item I have to show you is the Bobbi Brown bronzing powder, and I got mine in the shade Deep 4, and I was just interested in it. I've been really looking for some more bronzing powders for deeper, darker skin, and Bobbi Brown kept popping up everywhere I looked. It was like Bobbi Brown, Bobbi Brown, Bobbi Brown. So I was like, you know what, let me go check it out. This was the deepest shade, so I was like, let me just pick it up. I didn't swatch it. I didn't try it or anything. I'm probably going to do a review or a video on this particular bronzer. Yeah, it looks promising. It looks like it'll work. It doesn't look too orange, so hopefully it works out for the better, and I can have an extra bronzing powder in my collection. So the next product I'm going to show you is the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, and this one is medium deep. I do already own the regular translucent setting powder, and I absolutely love this stuff. The only problem I have with this is like if you put on too much, or if you try to bake with this particular powder, it does leave a like white cast wherever you put it. So when I seen the medium deep shade, I was like, that'll be perfect, especially if it's a really good under eye like highlight bake shade. I cannot wait to try this. I was just waiting for this video, for me to film this video, and then I'm gonna try it. I'm putting that on tomorrow. When I put my makeup on, I'm putting this on. So I'll keep y'all posted on how that turned out. So this is a repurchase. It's the Sephora brand Matte Perfection Powder Foundation, and I got mine in the shade 64 Neutral Mocha. I buy this to use as a regular powder. I don't use it as a powder foundation. It just does something when you put it over a liquid foundation. It just like makes everything melt together. It's a really nice soft silky powder, and I get mine in the shade Neutral Mocha because it's a little bit lighter than like my actual shade, so it's not going to pack on so much color. It's kind of going to like blend everything in nicely. So I really like this powder. Highly recommend you try out the Sephora brand. Anyway, they've been doing their thing. They have so many different products right now. It's absolutely crazy. So the last product that I actually picked up and purchased from Sephora was the Drunk Elephant Night Bright Set. And it has the TLC Framboise Glycolic Night Serum, and it has the Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. I wanted to try these out because a lot of people like Drunk Elephant, and they say their products are worth the money. Only thing with Drunk Elephant is it's kind of expensive. A lot of their products are close to $80, which kind of steep, kind of expensive. So I was like, let me try out these little sample sizes first, and if I like the results that I get, I'll purchase the fuller size. Right now, I'm kind of like, it's kind of like either way, I really don't have a strong opinion either way. Maybe I need to use it for longer, but I'll keep you posted and updated on that product. That is all that I had to show you from my Ulta / Sephora haul. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, like I said in the beginning, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and become a part of the Glam Squad here on the Glamorous Beauty channel. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.